Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Wednesday's financial news. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The dollar-yen pair traded sideways in the last session. The RSI is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair exploded 3.5% in the last session. The RSI is giving a positive signal. The gold dropped 0.8% against the dollar in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a negative signal. The oil-dollar pair plummeted 3.1% in the last session. The RSI is giving a negative signal.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analyst for today.
Canada's oil sands produce some of the world's most carbon-intense crude. The country's largest oil-producing province has already raised the stringency of facility-based benchmarks. The euro rebounded, nearly erasing all of Monday's losses after reports that some Russian troops in areas near Ukraine have started returning to their bases. Bitcoin rose to more than $44,000 for the first time since the end of last week as optimism over an easing of tensions around Ukraine renewed investors' appetite for risk.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The U.S. retail sales will be released at 13:30 GMT, Germany's 10-year bond auction at 10:30 GMT, Japan's exports at 23:50 GMT. Japan's imports will be released at 23:50 GMT, the UK's core consumer price index at 0700 GMT, the Eurozone's industrial production at 1000 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Wednesday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.